Hello, my lovely fishies. Dolphin number 345 here. And it's done. I've finally finished it. So after, of course, 5 months of coming up with the idea to make a personal OC, she is finally here. So everyone say hello to Waterfall, my new personal OC. And for those who don't know what a personal OC is, it's basically an OC that is like your go-to guy. If you're entering something, if you're drawing, this is what you draw. You go to it. So my go-to OC, or my personal OC, is Waterfall, and I finally finished her. After months of planning, after spending like the entire 5 hours today sketching her on paper, and then finally drawing her digitally and making this reference sheet, I finally finished her. And I think she looks really neat. So, her name is Waterfall. She is a water dragon. She is 17 years old, female, and a bisexual. Her parents are Perch and Riptide, and she has 2 brothers named Current and Rapid. And the most important thing about this sheet is probably her mate, Cyclone. So, Cyclone and Waterfall have a really interesting story, and both of them have really interesting backstories, and what's the opposite of backstory? Future stories? Let's go with that. Future stories that I can't wait to explore and show you guys. So I'm hoping to, make some PMVs, some maps, maybe a book. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm hoping to do something interesting with both of them so you guys can see the awesome stories I have planned for both of them. And I think that's about it. She's got 2 pieces of jewelry, a little lightning bolt necklace, and a blue diamond on her right ear. And yeah, I really like how she came out. And I'm so happy to have this finally done after like so many months of planning. And I can't wait to see where I go with this now. Because now with a personal OC, I can finally, I just hope it opens a door for something. Like, I know a lot of people use their personal OCs for, like, maps and PMVs, so I guess this is just one step closer to seeing what else I can do with this YouTube channel. Of course, for now I'm going to continue doing PMVs because I'm not that very good at animation, but hopefully I'll be able to experiment with animation and see where I can go from there. So, I think right now, I think it's just fun or really good to appreciate the fact that my personal OC is done, and let's just see what we can do with it. So, thank you all for watching, my lovely fishies. Thanks for watching this very long end card. I'm not sure what to call this. Let's call it an end card. Because, I've been ranting for a while. And the video is almost over, so I'm just gonna say bye now. Bye, my lovely fishies. See you in the next one.